Hi there, students. Sage, a sage, a noun. It's linked to the adjective sagacious and the adverb sagaciously. They come from the same root. Okay, a sage is a wise person, an intelligent person. Yes, the sage of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Okay, so a person who is venerated for their experience. Yeah, they've got good judgment. Yeah, a wise person who has a lot of experience. So my sage old grandmother. Yeah. Here I've used this as an adjective. You can actually use sage as an adjective as well, or as a modifier. A sage, a wise person. Notice as well, sage is also completely different meaning, a plant. It's a herb which you use to give flavour to various things. For example, sage and onion stuffing. Yeah, it's from the salvia family. But that I think's completely different. But a sage, a wise person, especially from ancient history or from legend. Yeah, I think there were the 7 sages of Greece a long way back. So somebody who's regarded as being very wise and intelligent. Yeah, somebody who's knowledgeable. Yeah, a guru, for example, an expert, a master, somebody you would use as a mentor. Yeah. Okay, so somebody who's very intelligent, somebody who is savant. Okay, so for example, the ancient Chinese sages, a person of great learning whose opinion you would ask. So he gave me some very sage advice. He's a very sagacious person and he always talks very sagaciously. I'm pretty sure I got a video on Sagacious as well. Okay, so a sage, a wise person. I think sadly, particularly, this is used to refer to men, but I don't see why. Very often I think women are much more sage than men are. Yeah? So, a sage, a wise, judicious, prudent person who gives very good advice, who you talk to. Okay, so sage advice particularly. As to formality, I think I would probably give this 6.5 informality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think wise person, something like that would be more common. I think better in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing, or in anything very formal as well. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin through French. We've got the French word sage, meaning wise or intelligent. And the Latin origin is sapius, from the verb sapere, to taste or to be wise, which actually comes from a Proto-Indo-European word sap, to taste. Okay, so a sage. If you call somebody a sage, you're being very positive and very complimentary about them. You're saying they're wise and they have a lot of experience. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sage, a sage.